Today we're going to put together the C-3PO Metal Earth 3D model kit. Hi everyone, welcome back to the City Aperture channel. My name is Jose. I go by City Aperture. Today I want to put together this guy right here. Bring it up close to the camera. It is the C-3PO Metal Earth 3D metal model kit. You might remember I put one together. Here it is. It's the R2 one. A few months back. I'll put a card over here somewhere for the video of that. And it was a struggle. It was a struggle. It was not easy. It was harder than I thought it would be. So this time I come armed with smaller pliers. Put this right there. Last time I was using sort of this guy, and it was hard. So I'm hoping this smaller. These are jewelry making tools. So I'm hoping using this will make it a little easier. And I also have a set of tweezers that may help some more. So yeah, let's just get right to it and see how long this one takes. The R2 took about 2.5 hours to put together. I'm hoping to go faster this time. So let's see how that goes. Well, there it is. That's assembling the C-3PO. Okay, closer. The C-3PO Metal Earth metal kit. It wasn't easy. you know, I have already put together the R2 one, which is over here. You guys can see it, right? I would say this one was harder. It looks better. It looks amazing. I'll put some photos and some video up close of it. But I mean, I even cut my finger in the middle. You can't see it, but I cut my finger. I think I'll leave it in the video so you'll see the. Yeah, so it's hard. They're still hard. The little tools helped a bit. I think it would have taken even longer. It took almost 3 hours again. They do look amazing though. I guess you can't really fight that. But not an easy thing to put together. I definitely recommend the little hand tools that I used. I'll show them again here. The little jewelry pliers definitely help. So if you can get a hold of them, I would try those. One of the great things about it is that it's to scale to the R2, or I mean it feels pretty close to scale. You can sort of see they match up pretty well at the back. So I appreciate that they fit well with each other. They'll look great displayed next to each other. So that's a plus. But yeah, there you have it. Very quick build. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you are enjoying this, subscribe, like the videos. Yeah. And hopefully next week we'll be back with some other making stuff. Take it easy, guys. One last up close. If you guys like this project, then maybe you'll enjoy the podcast that I do with my two colleagues, Claudia and Ray. We discuss purpose-driven design, making, and manufacturing. We talk about architecture. We talk about all sorts of making. We have a project of the week. So yeah, please check it out. Again, it's called The Made Podcast. Thanks so much.